Hi folks, this is Mike here from the Trailer Depot. Today we're doing a video on a used trailer that we just got in. This is a very unique trailer for a custom race car trailer for Porsches. It could be used for any small vehicles, but it's a lot of features in a very small package. We ordered it in with a lowered interior height. It's got a 6-foot interior height, so it's got an 8-foot exterior height, designed to be able to get in the customer's garage that ordered the trailer. All aluminum frame. This is a 16-foot long trailer with a 2-foot wedge nose. Because the trailer is very small, once the car gets in, it kind of fills the inside of the trailer. So we've got 2 side doors so you can tie down the front of the car from the side of the trailer. Flip up escape door. ATC's famous flip up escape door, I'll call it. Now, because the trailer is short, we've got the ramp door then is fairly short. So with a race car, we needed to put ramp extensions on. So we've got 6-foot ramp extensions with a 6-foot door. So it makes the incline going in the trailer is pretty gradual. As I mentioned, all aluminum frame. We got aluminum skin on the walls, black coin floor. When you bring the car in, it's designed to come right up underneath these bars. We've got a wheel stop there, so the car stops at the wheel stop, and then he puts his race tires up here on these bars across basically the hood of the car. If you notice, the cabinets are a little unusual from what we see a lot of times. Usually you got a base cabinet. Well, this is an inverted base cabinet, so it's hung up high, so we have storage underneath. A little easier to get around the front of the car there if you need to get in and get some of your tools up. You've got a spot where you can put a race jack or anything like that up in the front there out of your way. Tie downs in the floor. We've got 3 in the front, 2 in the back, and then he added an extra one here in the middle. That's a pocket for your race jack right there. 12-volt interior lighting. It's got hooks on each one of the side doors so you can hang race suits and stuff like that, any of your clothing. Battery runs the lights here. We've got a battery, onboard battery, and then he's got a 110-volt light that he can plug in like when he's in his garage and wants to work in his garage. He just runs an extension cord in and plugs that in. This trailer is a 2013. It's an ATC all-aluminum trailer, Quest model. We designed it specifically for a 911 Porsche race car. But we've had a lot of people with Miatas and stuff like that. Any of those smaller vehicles that want to race short and low to be able to get into a standard garage. This is Mike from the Trailer Depot doing a video on this 2013 used ATC race car trailer that we have. You can find us on the web at thetrailerdepot.com. Like us on Facebook. Check us out on Instagram, YouTube. Check us out everywhere. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.